We've heard a lot about AI agents, but actually building and managing them for a whole company has felt a bit like the Wild West, until now. Today we're doing a detailed and honest review of Dust, a platform that bills itself as the operating system for AI agents. The idea is to give you a complete, unbiased look, based solely on what the official site at dust.tt promises, so you can decide if it's the right tool to deploy a fleet of specialized AI workers alongside your human team. Let's get into the detailed overview. At its heart, Dust is a platform designed to let you build, deploy, and manage teams of specialized AI agents that work right alongside your employees. The key idea here is moving beyond just a single chatbot. You can create different agents for different tasks, like one for data analysis, another for semantic search across your documents, and another for drafting customer communications. What makes this powerful is the infrastructure they've built. First, it's all about context-aware infrastructure, meaning you can securely connect these agents to your company's data sources, effectively breaking down the silos between your information and the AI. They support a wide range of integrations including Slack, Google Drive, Notion, Confluence, and GitHub, so your agents aren't guessing, they're working with your actual files and conversations. Now let's talk about the pricing structure, which adds crucial context to our review. Dust offers two main tiers, a Pro plan at €29 for a month, with a 14-day free trial, which gets you access to advanced models like GPT-4 and Claude, the ability to build custom agents that can execute actions, all the key data connections we discussed, and unlimited messages subject to fair use, plus it includes 1 GB of data per user and some free credits for programmatic usage. Then there's the Enterprise tier, which is custom priced for teams of over 100 users and adds advanced security controls like SSO and SIEM, larger storage limits, flexible payment, priority support, and even a dedicated Salesforce tool with the option for data hosting in either the US or EU. Thanks for watching this review, and I'll see you in the next video.